Hi guys, I'm Tanya, a fashion designer. Today I have something interesting for those of you who love making your own clothes. It's a blouse and pants set. Oversized styles are very popular right now, but they're also practical and comfortable for everyday wear. The loose fit looks great on all body types. As usual, it all started with an idea. Then I created the pattern in my design software. I've made quite a few similar garments before, so the basic pattern was already well tested. And this is what the finished outfit is supposed to look like. It's a great choice for summer. Take a look at how it moves and flows when worn. These are digital PDF sewing patterns. They're available for instant download right after purchase. Now, let's talk about fabrics. These are the ones I would recommend: Viscose, Rayon, soft crepe, lightweight silk blends, bamboo jersey, fine cotton voile, and lightweight linen blends. The pattern is available in XL, 2XL, and 3XL sizes. You can use this size chart to find the best fit for you. I've prepared a detailed step-by-step guide for you. Even beginners should have no trouble following it. Here's the overall garment layout, what's known as a technical drawing. You can use this page to check all the pattern pieces and make sure nothing is missing. I've already prepared a fabric layout for you to help minimize fabric usage and reduce waste. And here, you'll find the technical sewing information. Don't forget to add the seam allowances. This is especially important if it's your first time using a sewing pattern. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on Etsy. Now let's talk about colors. As you can see, it's really a matter of personal taste. The only thing I'd recommend is making the top a little lighter than the pants. It creates a more stylish and balanced look. And once you finish sewing it, don't forget about the vibe. That's important too.
You gotta get 'em up, hop. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Break down. Yeah. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Share your experience in the comments. Give this video a like. And subscribe so you don't miss the next episodes. The link to this pattern set is in the description below. As for me, I think I'll go and make a silk dress next. I'll tell you all about it soon. See you next time. And, as always, my little assistant is right here with me. Bye, everyone.